বেদান্ত কিছু বলো ট্রিপের ব্যাপারে।
তুমি উঠতে দেরি করে দিয়েছো, তাই বাস মিস হতে পারে।
না না, মিস হবে না।
We are on our way to Esplanade bus stop, where we'll be meeting our friend Dhitiman, who is waiting there.
Lamborghini.
হ্যাঁ,
After 3.5 hour journey in the bus from Esplanade bus stop, we are here, and from this turning, we are going forward, and left side there is a road.
so we have reached at Mandarmani and from here we will be starting our journey towards the beach.
It takes only 30 rupees from here, and approx 20 minutes we will be reaching towards Mandarmani beach. And look at the sun. Sunset at sea beach will be a terrific time to spend. Have some good peace of mind. It's really beautiful.
उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे, उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे।
The beach resort looks perfectly great for the time, and the room is very well maintained, I guess. Our friends will be checking in. Yes, let's see.
আমার এটাই ভালো লাগে এখানে, মানে তাদের সাথে পরিচয়।
There is the beach, there is the people are playing over there, and this is our room.
The room fare cost 600 per person per night.
This looks nice. This room looks nice.
এগুলো লাগবে আমি সব দিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
এগুলো বালিশ কম্পিউটার লাগবে।
ঠিক আছে।
ওই মাদর কপাল এদিকে বালিশ একটা কম্বল একটা।
Let's go
তাই আছে মাদর।
look the sea from more closer view and enjoy the breeze over there.
View. Splendid.
It's very good that it's very quiet out here. Not much people are here walking.
कहीं तो होगी वो दुनिया जहाँ तू मेरे साथ है।
The view, look at the view. It's really beautiful. So this is the right time if you are a adventure lover to visit a sea in December. Actually, it's very cold out there. You can see the little bit of foggy. So if you are planning to have a holiday for like a night of a journey from Kolkata, and you can, it is the one of the best place those who likes to be near sea places. So you can come here within 3.5 hours only journey. Travel from Esplanade bus stand, you can directly reach here, and the hotel is very cheap here. Now I'll be going back to my room because it's already late, and I'll be having some food.
এটা কত বলেছিলাম সত্তর না, এটা 70
আচ্ছা, এটা কি মাছ?
এটা হলো পমফ্রেট, এটা হলো 80 টাকা।
Seafood slug crabs, vetki fish, and so many other seafoods. All are fresh and available here, which you will give to the shopkeeper and they'll fry and give you back.
এটা কি বানিয়েছো গো এটা ভেটকি না আচ্ছা
Let's feast. The fresh vetki fish, it looks amazing, and the vendor is just near. We are having this fish. Look at this. Wow, it's so warm and fresh and delicious, juicy. Let's eat. What we did is that we bought some of the fishes like vetki and crabs and some prawns or some other fishes also, and we bought it from the fish market fresh and gave it to one of the vendors, food vendors, and asked him to fry and give us. Trust me guys, this will save you a lot of money and your tummy will be full of good foods, really. And this is very good chakna also, and of course chicken will be there, and that too tandoori chicken. Wow, our chicken is getting ready, and this will be our tonight's dinner. And we'll be going inside. There is a place where we'll sit and have some good drinks and some snacks. Let's go.
Tandoori is getting roasted and the flames, it smells wow.
এগুলো একটা পিস কত করে আমরা 250 টাকা বিক্রি করছি 125 টাকা এক পিস না একদম ছোট করে এই পিসটা যে বানিয়েছো হ্যাঁ ওরকম করে একদম ছোট ছোট এলে কি হবে জানো তো অনেক সময় দিয়ে থাকবে মাংসটা
Nice. It looks very hot. Smokes coming from the chicken.
এটাকে হাফ
Beautiful view from my resort. And there's the sea.
মানে গ্লাসটা কই
এটা এখানে
কই দেখ আস না ভাই এদিকে সুন্দর করে বই না
As it is end of December and many people come here to enjoy and get relaxation from their busy life. Plus this weather is really great. And in the backstage, see inside the house, DJ night is going on inside the house. If you want to have some indoor party, then you can have it here also. It's full chilled out here at this moment, and we all are loving it.
দাঁড়াই আকাশের হাত জানিতে সারাদিন কি হবে না ভেবে আরো একবার হাতটা ছুঁয়ে দেখ আজ আমাদের ইচ্ছেগুলো এক আমি জানি তুই আবার হারাবি নিজেকে
Good morning everyone. So day 2 at Mandarmani beach, and I woke up early to see the sunrise, but it's too late. Sun woke up earlier than me. I'll be showing you what are the things you can do here, like body massage is one of them, then boat rides, then other activities. I'll take you around. So it's morning and I have ordered bread butter toast and a good tea for breakfast, and my friend is sleeping still.
As my friends were sleeping and I have nothing to do, so I thought that to get a body massage because I have always heard of it. Let me see. And this guy is really good. He can do acupuncture and everything. Let's see.
ছুঁচপুরার মতন তো ওটা না
আমি এর জন্য ভয় করছি।
না না না
কি হয় মানে এই জায়গাটাতে?
এইগুলো পায়ে যত নার্ভ আছে হ্যাঁ শরীর দিয়ে করে দেবে
আরাম পাচ্ছি, সিরিয়াসলি বলছি, অনেক আরাম পাচ্ছি।
শুনুন এইগুলো
এরকম বডি ম্যাসাজ আমি মানে আগেও আমি নেইনি কোনোদিনও, বাট এরকম এক্সপিরিয়েন্স আগেও পাইনি।
The person charged me only rupees 300 for like 1.5 hours of massage. It was really great. But it is very important to get it from the professionals or who knows it and who is doing it, because lots of thugs are also there who, and I have already inquired about it, and this guy is doing since his childhood because his father is also a massage therapist and he is also, this is his family business.
এবার আপনার নাম বলুন, আর মানে আপনাকে মানুষরা যদি আসে আপনার এখানে যেদিকে মাসাজ নিতে, এত ভালো যে আপনি মাসাজ দিলেন, তারপরে মানে আপনাকে কি করে কন্ট্যাক্ট করবে আর কিভাবে?
ফোন নম্বর
হ্যাঁ, আপনার নাম হলো
পূর্ণেন্দু বাড়ি
পূর্ণেন্দু।
Now we are going for a boat ride and some adventure water sports, and scuba diving is not available here, so it's bad luck for us.
Friend Ritiman, he'll be doing it for the first time. He is very much afraid of the water inside. How are you feeling for the, are you excited?
I don't want to go.
You don't want to go, but right now you have dressed up all and will be going to the sea. So getting ready for the boat ride 5 kilometers. Let's see how it will be, but I'll definitely tell you the experience.
And slowly we are getting ready and our boat is ready and we row. Wow.
गाने वाला नाम देख रहे हो?
गाना कोई बजाओगे?
This ride cost us 200 rupees per person, but it is worth it. After the beautiful ride, it's time for us to get back to our rooms and get fresh enough, and after that we'll be ready for the lunch today, which we'll be doing outside. We are planning to go out and have lunch. Let's go.
So it's evening time, going for shopping in the market, and let's see what's there to eat, and we'll going to have some food also. Just add this fish, it's all veggie, 1 kilo, we'll give it to fry. এই নাও, এখন 3টা খাবো ফ্রাই, আর 3টা রাত্রের জন্য।
ঠিক আছে
ঠিক আছে তো, রাত্রে
ফ্রিজে রেখে দেবো
एंड लिवर फ्राई, एंड आंटी हम लोगों के लिए अभी बना रही है वेटकी फ्राई, जिसको खा के हम लोग अभी तंदुरुस्त होने वाले हैं। और ये रहा वेटकी माछ। सो
ভিতরের চিকেনের স্টকটা দেখা
एंड यहाँ पर चिकन भी है जो हम लोगों को मैरिनेट करके, अभी चिकन देखते हैं हम लोग के लिए कहाँ है। और ये बन रहा है हम लोग के लिए चिकन। चिकन में अंकल बना रहे हैं चिकन, ये मैरिनेट करके सारा तंदूरी बनाएंगे। ये है खाली चिकन, इनको भी तंदूरी बनाएंगे। और ये है लाइक 3 टाइप का चिकन अंकल के यहाँ पर मिल सकता है। The fish is cut here and that is the roasted fish. Today at lunch we are having this vetki fry. Plus this is chicken and there is mutton liver, there is dal, there is vetki fry again, and we are having this grand party at uncle's place. This is the best homemade lunch. If you want guys to have the homemade best fresh fish, means you can buy from the market fish, 1 kilo fish we have bought. मछली पूरा गर्म है, खाने का मज़ा ही अलग है फ्रेश फिश का, विथ राइस एंड दाल। सच में मज़ा आ गया खाना खा के, क्या बोलते हो भाई लोग? सो आफ्टर हैविंग लंच टुडे, द टेस्ट ऑफ द फूड, the freshness of the fish, it is really mouth watering. I was about to tell you that the beaches you can see in the backside, it's very less crowded. This beach, the Mandarbani, very less crowded, and if you want to have some quality time, I mean genuinely quality time, then you must visit this place. तो आंटी रात को आज खाएंगे आंटी का हाथ का खाना, और ये आंटी हम लोग के लिए रोटी बना रही हैं, आटा बेलेंगे भी, गर्म रोटी खाएंगे, और ये है मिक्स वेज, बढ़िया है, फूल गोभी है, बीन्स है, आलू है, गाजर है, दमादम,
देखने में भी कितना बढ़िया लग रहा है।
चटनी भी है, बटर भी है, इधर
आप लोग का भी हो जाएगा,
किचन भी है,
तो खाएंगे नहीं,
मजेदार,
बहुत बढ़िया।
So hi again guys, it's almost 12 am and right now I am again near my favorite spot, near the beach. And why I am here right now, because I want to show you guys a strange thing about this Mandarmani beach, that the waves, you have noticed in my earlier videos that the wave was at least half a mile away from this, at least half a mile away, but right now it has come this much of closer, and maybe after 1 hour or after this it will come up to here also. I'll show you guys. So that's a beauty of this beach. Today is the final day of our destination, and before going we have planned to eat mutton curry. थोड़ा तीखा कम कर देना, हाँ तीखा कल ज़्यादा थोड़ा,
कल ज्यादा था इसलिए अभी कम किया।
And we'll be leaving soon this place, and this is a final goodbye from all of us, and hope we'll come here again and enjoy this really beautiful place. Goodbye.
nice place. So meeting Ayanda after a long time. Hello. Come and sit for peace, lovers.
We are in Shaktigarh,
Which is famous for Lengcha,
which is famous for it.
and Abhijit is our blogger of the day.
He is the blogger. It's very good.